Hello and welcome to another video. I am Ezekielo. Today we are checking out the Anker Soundcore Motion Plus portable speaker. I will be doing an unboxing and sound test and then comparing it with the JBL Charge 4 and the JBL Xtreme 2. So let's find out how powerful this is. Well, as you can see, here is the box. It's written here 30 watts room filling sound, which you are going to find out in a minute, and then you are going to get 12 hours of playtime, and then it's IPX7 waterproof, which is really good, and then it's got Qualcomm aptX, which ensures high quality audio streaming via Bluetooth, and it's also got USB-C connectivity as well. So let's unbox this quickly. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me just take it out so you all can see this. Okay, that's all in the box, nothing else. Let me put this aside. So here is the speaker here. Let me open this up quickly. Voila, here we go. Let me put that aside and see what else we have here. You have your quick start guide here, and then you have a safety information booklet as well, and then you have a card here, little card. Yeah. Let me put all that aside. You have a USB Type-C cable here for charging it up. Let me put that aside. And then you have an auxiliary cable as well for wired listening, which is really good. It could come in handy sometimes. Let me put all those aside. That's pretty much all that's here. Taking a look at the speaker itself, this speaker has two main drivers, two tweeters, and two passive radiators with a maximum output power of 30 watts. It's got a frequency response range of 50 Hz to 40 kHz. It's also equipped with Bluetooth 5.0. It also allows wireless stereo pairing, so you can pair up two of these speakers for a full stereo sound. One of the advantages of this speaker is that, unlike many other portable speakers, it's got a dedicated app with which you can use to tweak the sound settings to your own taste, which is really good. At the top here you have some button controls. First of all, you have your bass button. If you want to increase the bass, you can do that. And then you have your volume rocker buttons. And then you have your Soundcore button here. This button is used for answering and receiving calls. It's also your play and pause button as well. And then you've got your Bluetooth connect button. At the back here, it's also written Soundcore. And then it has like an opening here. I think this is to allow some air to come out when the passive radiators are thumping. And then underneath, there are rubber grips to keep it firm on the table. And then at the side you have your power switch here, and then there is a flap here. Let me just open it up quickly and see what we have in here. Okay, you've got your USB Type-C charging port here, and then you've got your auxiliary port. That's pretty much all for ports. Now let me just power these on, and then we'll do a sound test. There you go. So let's test this quickly and do a sound comparison between these and the JBL Charge 4 and the JBL Xtreme 2 as well. So let's begin. As always, be sure to listen with headphones, as this is a binaural recording.
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place. Float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look up and feel the shift. Tossing us around again. Hold tight, get ready to begin. And just levitate.
As you must have noticed at max volume, the Soundcore Motion Plus was slightly louder than the JBL Xtreme 2. Although it sounded a little bit shrill and tinny, but it still retained a little kick of bass even at max volume, while the Xtreme 2 has an overall fuller and balanced sound with more bass, although it's not as loud as it's supposed to be considering its size when compared to the Soundcore Motion Plus. You all must have also noticed that the JBL Charge 4 stood no chance against the Anker Soundcore Motion Plus at max volume. It was totally lost, which was quite surprising, as the Charge 4 cost much more than the Soundcore Motion Plus. You also have to bear in mind that both the JBL Charge 4 and the Anker Soundcore Motion Plus are both rated at the same maximum output power of 30 watts. So from the overall sound, this portable speaker really surprised me. It really surprised me considering its size. As you can see, it's much more smaller than the JBL Xtreme 2. So this shows what's possible with a portable speaker in 2019. JBL, take note. You have to bear in mind the speaker itself does not save the sound settings. So each time you turn off the speaker, it's going to lose the equalizer settings. So you always have to pair it up with your smartphone, open the app, and then it's going to pick up those settings once again. So I just wish they would release a software update that will make it possible for the equalizer settings to be saved on the speaker itself. That would be very good. The Soundcore Motion Plus cost around $100, which is an absolute bargain. So if you're on the market looking for a very loud speaker, this is the one to get. Yes, it's very loud for its size, and it's much more portable than the JBL Xtreme 2. So this makes a very good portable outdoor speaker because of the high volume you are going to get out of it. Although at max volumes, it loses a little bit of bass, which is common among most portable speakers. So as always, I'll be throwing links down in the description section for you all if you want to purchase these. Feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on this channel. I am Ezekielo, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios.